Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sew an enlarged version of my best-selling drawstring bucket bag, which you can see on the screen and in the pinned video in a winter edition. The loose, slouchy shape is a must-have this season. And now, with this pattern, you can wear it all winter long. Mix and match colors, faux furs, bouclé fabrics, and more, and surprise everyone with your handmade bag. Reinforce the bottom using special bag-making inserts or felt, or, like I did, use a simple DIY method, a few layers of fusible interfacing glued together for extra stability. Fold the end of the fabric inward, then fold it again as shown in the video and stitch with a narrow seam to enclose the cord. Repeat the same fold on the other end, this way you'll get a neatly finished drawstring with no raw edges. Now, let's sew the strap so you can wear your bag on your shoulder. Stitch slowly and evenly to keep the strap fabric from skewing or twisting. Once the seam is closed, turn the strap right side out and top stitch both long edges with a narrow seam. Finally, attach the slider and swivel hooks to finish your adjustable strap. In this step, create pleats on the bottom piece of the bag. This will add extra volume and give it a stylish, structured look. Then attach the bottom panel to the main body of the bag and top stitch the seam with a narrow stitch to reinforce it and add a neat, decorative finish. In this step, we'll finish the edge that will serve as the drawstring tunnel. Fold the fabric at the notches, the notch position and width are marked on the pattern, and stitch with a narrow seam. Sew from notch to notch. Then repeat these steps on the other side and on the matching piece of the bag. Attach the loops with O-rings for the strap hooks, then sew on the lining piece. Repeat the same steps on the matching panel, just make sure the O-rings are positioned on opposite sides of the bag. In the next step, join the lining pieces together. You don't need to leave an opening for turning the bag right side out, we'll do that through the drawstring tunnel. When joining the two main bag pieces, make sure the seams and fabric transitions align neatly. You can baste them together first to keep everything in place and prevent the layers from shifting while sewing. Now we'll attach the bottom of the bag. I sew 4-bar tacks at each notch first, then ease the fabric evenly around the entire edge. This makes the process much easier. If you're not yet confident sewing curves, you can secure the fabric with clips or pins before stitching. Sew the remaining part of the lining to close it all the way around. Then turn the bag right side out through the drawstring tunnel opening. Make sure the seams line up perfectly. It's a small detail, but it gives your bag that premium finish. In this step, we'll sew the stitching lines for the drawstring tunnel. Fold the fabric as shown in the video, making sure the seams and opening align perfectly. Stitch along this line, reinforcing it with a bar tack where the layers meet. Then, sew all the way around. Take your time and sew carefully to keep the fabric from shifting. Stretch it evenly and stitch precisely. Next, make a small spacing and sew a second line of stitching to create the tunnel. Thread the drawstrings through, tie small knots at the ends, and that's it. Your winter drawstring bucket bag is ready. Thank you for watching and spending your time with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned, because I've got more cozy winter projects coming your way.